Okay, it's time to build the second part of this base plate, and let's get to it. So before we were working on the top, what we need to do now is build the second part on the bottom. So if you click bottom, what we just built, that one is going to be, in fact, we could name it right now. If you go over here to part 1, and let's rename that as the top plate. We're going to build a second plate on this. That will be the bottom plate. So I'm working on the bottom now. So I want to make a sketch that's on this bottom side. So I clicked on that bottom side. And let's grab the rectangle tool. And we're going to go from this corner all the way to that corner. Cool. And it's already turned black because we told it from here to here. If this didn't light up for you, this point, you'll need to click on the use command and tell it to use that sketch 2, because that sketch 2 has all the geometry that you need. Let me show sketch 2. Right now it's hidden. Sketch 2 has all those circles, all the holes, and the squares. When it's hidden, you don't get to see the sketch that we made it out of with, construction lines or those points. Now it shows those points in there too. So now let's start making the circles, these circles and the hexagons. Now this image over here on the left of my screen, the diagram, is actually supposed to be rotated 90 degrees. So I'm going to start with this hole, and it's going to be down here. It actually goes right there. And that hole is 0.375 inches, 0.375, and it goes right here. So I'll grab the circle tool, and if you don't see that point right there, it needs to be there. So you need to go click the use and use sketch 2, or whatever sketch you made those points in. So click on it, and now it should show up. Because you need these circles that we're going to make now to line up and be concentric with those circles. And this one needs to be 0.375. Now let's go make those hexagons, and they're going to go on these two and on these two. Let's just make this one here. So grab the polygon tool, inscribed polygon, and we'll click on that center. And mine started with 6, yours might start with 5, who knows, but I know it needs to be right there. So grab it until you get that vertical tool there. That means I'm vertically below the dot or the point there. So I can click. Now is when you can tell it how many, and I'm just moving my mouse up and down, and then click when it's at 6. Sweet. It's blue though, because we need to tell it that it's 0.422, that distance, and that's from vertex to vertex, not side to side, but vertex to vertex. So we'll come over here, grab our dimensioning tool, and go from vertex to vertex and pull that out. Now be careful, if it switches on you like that, you got to move your mouse till it goes like this, not side to side, but vertex to vertex, and make that 0.422. Okay, now let's make some more of those. Grab your tool, one goes over here. We can grab our equals command and say, hello, make this guy. Well, hopefully that works. Oh, I lost it. Okay, I'll just do it again. Let's grab our polygon, make it, tell it 6. There it is. I had to click twice. And we'll make this guy equal that guy. Do it 2 more times, and you'll have it. I'll finish up in the next video because I'm running out of time.